In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make diagrams with FigJam. FigJam is Figma's collaborative whiteboard tool, perfect for flowcharts, mind maps, org charts, and quick planning diagrams. I'll walk you through a simple, reliable way to go from a blank canvas to a clear diagram using ready-made templates so you can focus on your ideas instead of layout. Start by opening your browser and heading to figma.com. Log in with your account and you'll land on your Figma dashboard. From here, you can work in design files or FigJam. Since we're making a diagram, click FigJam to open a FigJam canvas. If you already have a recent FigJam file you'd like to build on, open that instead. Otherwise, create a new FigJam file so you're starting fresh with an empty board. Once your FigJam file is open, find the Templates option in the interface. This is your shortcut to professionally structured diagrams. Click Templates and in the search bar type Diagram. You'll see a variety of options from flowcharts and user journey maps to mind maps and fishbone diagrams. Scan the previews to find a structure that matches your goal. If you're mapping a process, a flowchart is great. If you're organizing ideas, a mind map might fit better. When you found the right one, select it and click Add Template. FigJam will place the template directly onto your canvas. Now it's time to edit. Click on any text in the template to rename steps, labels, or sections. Double-click to start typing and keep your language concise so the diagram is easy to skim. Drag shapes to rearrange the layout and use the built-in connectors to maintain clean relationships between items. If you need more nodes, duplicate an existing shape so your sizes and styles stay consistent. Change colors to create visual groupings. Just be consistent so color always means the same thing across the page. You can resize shapes for emphasis, but keep spacing even to maintain readability. If your diagram gets large, zoom out to see the overall flow, and zoom in for detail cleanup. Feel free to swap a template element for another FigJam shape if it communicates better. The goal is clarity, labels that are specific, arrows that point cleanly, and a logical top to bottom or left to right reading order. If you're collaborating, watch for other cursors and add quick notes without breaking the structure. When you're done refining, you've got a polished diagram built the smart way. Start from a FigJam template, then tailor it to your content. That's all you need to make diagrams with